Today is the first day of school and I am quite nervous. I feel like I shouldn't be drinking this coffee, but I'm just a rebel. I only have one in-person class today. Luckily, I know one person, which is better than none. Does anyone else before class starts look at who's in the roster? And not to give stalker vibes, but just to prepare yourself for who you might see or who you might want to talk to. Even if I don't know the person, I just need to know like, okay, these are the people in my class. I bought a new gua sha over the weekend. I like this more than my steel gua sha. It has so many curves that you can use all around your body. I recently switched back to fashion merchandising. I did fashion design last semester. It was fun learning how to sew and constantly challenging myself, but I thought about it during the summer and I just felt that it didn't align with my future aspirations. After taking a few classes, I respect those who are taking fashion design as a major. It's a lot of work and it's very time consuming. I really like this tool. I use this more at night, especially when I'm watching a drama or a movie. Oh my gosh, is anyone else going to the 17 concert in November? Because I am. I heard it was a battle to get the tickets and I'm glad that my friends secured the tickets and now we're going to see 17 and I'm so excited. I'm sad because Junghan and June aren't going. June was the reason I got into 17 was because I watched his C-drama. The actress from When I Fly Towards You was in it, so I watched it and then that's how I got into 17. I don't know if it's a good idea to be filming Get Ready With Me on the first day because I talk a lot and I don't want to be late. Ever since high school, but more so entering college, I have been feeling that pressure to know what I want. And in reality, I don't think I'll truly ever know what I want. Not to be cheesy, but I just want to live a life that I won't regret. What is up with me? This is why it was a bad idea to watch Our Times yesterday. That's a good movie, guys. This is my first time watching it yesterday. I thought it was gonna be a very cliche drama, but oh my gosh, it's so much more than that. It got me sobbing at the end. And yes, I have a better idea of what path I want now compared to when I was 15. But even then, there are so many different things that I want to try, and yet it takes a lot of time and effort and can also be really expensive. It almost feels like you're sacrificing a part of yourself for stability, and it creates a lot of self-pressure. So I try to tell myself I can always come back to it when the time is right or when I do feel 100% ready. But I don't think I'll be 100% ready. I don't know, I just feel like I just tell myself these things to just not stress myself out. Basically, you just have to have a lot of patience with yourself. I don't remember who I heard this from, but I remember them saying something along the lines of you can't control the output of what you create, you can only focus on yourself and the choices that you make, and with those choices it creates the future that is destined for you, even if it wasn't something that you pictured yourself doing before. I don't know if that was a really good explanation, but I remember watching that video and I was just moved by what they said. We're just gonna keep this makeup look really simple. I'm only gonna be there for 3 hours and then I'm gonna go home and probably watch a drama. Yeah, that sounds like a good plan. The class that I'm attending today is photo styling, and a week before class, the professor assigned us homework, which was to create an introduction collage of ourselves, upload it by Sunday, and reply to 2 other people, which yes was easy to do, but it should be illegal to assign homework during summer break, even though it's like a week before school. To top it all off, we have to present it today in class. Not only that, but I read the syllabus, and it looks like we have a lot of presentations and projects in this class. You know, sometimes I sign up for classes with a blind eye. I just know that it's required. I think we can all agree that presenting can be such a dreadful task, especially for us introverts. I always try to volunteer first just so I can get it over with. Sometimes that's not always the case and then I spiral wondering when I'll be chosen. I mean, I can handle presenting in front of the class, but it's more so of a mindset. Like I have to mentally and physically prepare myself and give myself words of affirmations like, okay, you got this, you can do it, just say your lines and then we'll be done. It's currently 1:03 and I have class at 2:20, which seems like a lot of time, but then I forget that I have to drive there. I have a feeling that once the semester progresses, I'm going to slowly stop doing my makeup or care. As the time is getting closer, I'm feeling quite nervous. I know people in college don't care, really, to be honest, like nobody really cares, but I still get so nervous. Honestly, it takes me 10 minutes to do my makeup, but just because I'm talking to you, this is probably longer, like maybe an hour. Whenever I'm rushing, I just blend everything with my fingers and hope it's blended nicely. My favorite hack is to use my lip liner as an eyeshadow. Then I set it with eyeshadow and it just stays on longer compared to if I just put on eyeshadow. Then I'm going to do my egg yolk with a lip liner as well. And then I also do my contour. This is perfect when I don't want to be using too many products. Then I go back in this palette. I love this palette, guys. As you can tell, this is my go-to palette. I feel like nobody uses a planner anymore. A lot of people I know use Notion. I tried using Notion, but I feel like I remember things better when I write them down. The good thing about the first week is it's mostly about reading the syllabus and then taking a quiz on it if you actually read it. I'm pretty sure I have plenty more icebreakers this week with my other classes. It's only the first day of school and I have a long week ahead of me. But I got this. If you're also starting school this week, good luck to you. Good luck to us. We can get through the semester together. I'm just gonna write down a few more things and I'm going to head to bed.